So we got this thing here. So in the school platform, see Senior Home Business there, you guys. I want to show you. We've got all the courses, Senior Placement Institute, Roundtable, monthly workshops, Senior Referral Academy, Senior Living questions, all this kind of stuff, Leads on Demand, basics. But the calendar I want to show you, look at this next week, you guys. Brittany's doing a whole thing with the basics. Now, the basics is on Monday, and that is a group of individuals, people who signed up in the Senior Placement Institute that have not been in business longer than 90 days. So they just started, right? And so the advantage of that group there is a small group, and you're able to come and ask very specific questions about this business, and Brittany will help you out through that kind of deal. The Tuesday next week is cold calling. Now you're like, my gosh, I got to come to a meeting cold call. It's something about being with others, right? I mean, there's an accountability, encouragement. You'll pick up different things that people will say, especially Brittany. I mean, Brittany's been doing this for years, very successful in doing it. You want to pick up some things, and it's not you're able necessarily to memorize all what she says. I kind of equate it back in the day, Brittany. I used to go to these conferences all the time, and I go to some every now and then now, but I used to go to all the time. And I would spend a lot of money, and it was never like I learned everything that was taught that was new, but it's always like a couple gold nuggets that I just walked away with going, man, it revolutionized my own personal life and my business. So I really enjoyed that. But then you get into the Wednesday live here, and then cold calling again on a round table, and just a whole bunch of other stuff. So I just want to show you that, for our audience today, to kind of let you know that we have a community. It's a community, Brittany, that I'm really thankful for. I've developed over time. A lot of my students have become friends of mine. I mean, I think of you, right? In 2019. That's okay. We all got dogs and kids. Don't worry about it. Brittany's got a couple pups. I got a couple pups. It's family, right? So we both got family businesses, and puppies are part of the family, right?
Yeah. You should have heard them last night with the fireworks. That was fun. They were
man. So it's this stuff, but we really enjoy it. Like I met Brittany online in 2019, and she signed up what was known as the Senior Referral Academy at the time. And you fast forward now to 2025. Now she's our senior placement specialist. She's still got her agencies, obviously, guys, still doing placement, killing it in Texas and Missouri. But I now has gone from being acquainted with Brittany online to being friends with Brittany. And I don't think she would, think too badly of me saying this, but I do. I view Brittany like a daughter. I love her to pieces in the most pure way, and she's wonderful. So, and that's over a short period of time. But a lot of our students, Brittany, are engaging in conversation, not only just online, but I think some of them, if I don't know how many, but some of them have got like in these group texts and different things, and they encourage each other that way. So it's the power behind a community that you need. And sometimes, and all these things cost, you guys. Understand that. I mean, we have financing and available to make it affordable and all that stuff, but it's challenging because what happens is people are like, what do I have to give up to get something? And try not to think of that in this new year of what you have to give up to get something. Think in terms of what something's worth. Is it worth it to me? If it's not worth it to you, don't do it. Like if you're talking to me or you're considering a Senior Placement Institute, and this is something that doesn't resonate with you, something you never see yourself doing, you just don't want to do it, you want to do something else, then don't do it. I mean, don't ever feel pressure to do something. But man, if something you really want to do, go do it. Life is just too short. I have got a number of goals I won't share on this channel today. I'll probably be sharing later on down the road. But of all things that we're going to accomplish in 2025. And it's things that we are going to accomplish. And if you didn't pick up that pro statement right there, you have to do that. Did you notice I didn't say things I want to accomplish? It's things that we are going to accomplish. Matter of fact, I say it so much now, just in the last few hours, that it's almost as I've already done it. And if you've already done it, your faith is unwavering. It's already there, and you're just going to manifest it. Anyway, that's a whole nother teaching, but I don't know how we got talking about from going to declutter to school to manifestation. But Brittany, that's kind of what we do on this channel sometimes, right? It just kind of happens.